Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to talk about something very important: how words often blend together in real Spanish conversations. You may have learned words clearly and separately. For example, ¿Cómo estás? But in real life, it might sound more like ¿Cómo estás? Or even ¿Cómo estás? This blending is natural, and it makes Spanish sound fast, but don't worry. Once you learn the patterns, you'll start to hear them everywhere. Let's take a look. Why words blend together? In Spanish, words blend together for the same reason they do in English, to make speech faster and smoother. For example, in English, we don't always say, "What are you doing?" with each word separate. It often sounds like, "What you doing?" or "What are you doing?" Spanish works the same way. Native speakers connect sounds, drop certain letters, or merge syllables together. Common examples: the clear way, ¿Cómo estás? The blended way, ¿Cómo estás? The clear way, todo está bien. The blended way, todo está bien. The clear way, voy a la escuela. The blended way, voy a la escuela. The clear way, más o menos. The blended way, más o menos. Why this is important? This is important because if you only learn the clear, textbook way of saying things, real conversations might sound confusing. But once you recognize these blends, you'll notice that nothing new is being said. It's the same words, just faster and smoother. Let's practice both the clear way and the blended way. Repeat after me. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Todo está bien. Todo está bien. Voy a la escuela. Voy a la escuela. Más o menos. Más o menos. Great work. Now you know one of the big secrets of understanding fast Spanish: word blending. The more you listen, the more you'll notice these little shortcuts that native speakers take. Don't worry about speaking super fast yourself. Focus first on recognizing the blends when you hear them. With time, your own Spanish will start to flow more naturally. Well done! This concludes the Spanish pronunciation mini course. Remember to re-watch the video lessons and create your own practice exercises.